How to remove labels from Google Maps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to remove labels from Google Maps. So for that, just simply open the Google Maps in your browser, and after that just simply search for the location that you're looking for. And in order to remove the label from the Google Maps, all you have to do is just simply click on the save icon from the, and over here all you have to do is just simply click on the labeled section from the list over here. And now just simply click on the three dot menu icon right beside the label that you have made, for example work and home. And now in order to remove the labels from the Google Maps, just simply click on the label that you have that you must have created earlier. So for example home and work, like this. And in order to remove them, just simply click on the three dot menu icon right beside the label that you have created in the past, and just simply click on remove address, and your label will be removed from the label section. And if you want to remove the label from the Google Map, as you can see that if you scroll your cursor, you can see there are so many labels in the Google Maps that you can see right here. So if you want a plain map, and if you don't want any of the label that you can see on the screen right now, so just simply click on the layer section from the bottom of the screen, and over here just simply go to the satellite option, just simply remove it from the default. And now just simply check this box which says labels, and you can see all the labels will be removed. You won't be able to see any labels right now. So yeah, this is basically how simple it is to remove labels from Google Maps. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.